Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about WOR or word instruction in the INVT PLC. Open auto station software and here we will take one input switch LD X0 an example and click enter. And next we will take the instruction from the instruction tree also. Here you can see this is WOR or word instruction, and this you can drag and drop here, and here you can give the datas D0 an example, and next if you type to take D1 and which target your data, this you can take D2, any data register you can take, that's nothing issue, and click enter, and this line will be completed. And now this program I will download into the PLC and make the monitor. What's the meaning of this word R instruction? Word R instruction is basically logic gate. Look like yani you can, how can I explain? If you like to value, put it here at the D0 and D1, it will be calculates the value, and first it converts into the binary, and after this will be give you the result into the binary. And if you will use the OR logic here in physically how we can make in the ladder logic, so how can make, I will explain you little one more. An example, this is X0 and this is one output. If we like to be make it on an example Y0, so here we will downside like the one link, and here we will make the one more signal, this I will make the X1 and click enter, and this also I will be download first into the PLC for understanding the OR logic. And maybe if you read in the maths I will show you some logic gates into the this. You can graphical symbol also you can understand if you read in the IT sections, and algebraic functions and truth tables if you understands. If you see, this is the AND logic. Already in the previous video already I explained about this AND logic, and now we are using this one OR logic. So OR logic, what's the mean of OR logic? You can see A and B when performs, after answer gives in the F. So simply this is our D0 and this is our D1 and this is our answer F1. D2 means this is D0, D1 and D2. And what's the meaning of OR logic? When F is equal with A plus B, after which is answer, that's we can get in the F. So here you can see if A is equal with 0 and B is equal with 0, answer will be 0. And if A is equal 0 and B is equal with 1, answer will be 1. And same as if answer is, if A is equal with 0, 1 and B is equal with 0, our answer will be 1. And if both A and also is equal with 0 or 1, sorry, and B is equal with 1, our answer will be 1. So same as this is, you can think about, this is our one number is X0 and this is X1 is our main our screenshot, and our this is A is our X0 and B is also our X0, and output is our F. Maybe you better understand about this picture, and this you can download from the Google, easy way you can download. And now if I gives the signal at the X0, after you will be see our output is now on. And an example, if I give the signal at X1, also our Y0 will be on. So same as this command works into the only binary. And for an example, here is a 0, there also we type the 0 value sum. An example, here is we type some 4, same like if we type and click enter, and after we will be execute the x0, and after you can see answer is same 0. How this answer performs, we will go into the we can make it here, we will make when d0 is equal with 4, and the downside also will be make 1. d1 is equal with 4, so our answer is how much? Answer is how much? We can take it here in the d2. d2 is equal is what also? This is the answer is 4. So now we will see in the binary our result in the decimals. One second, this is the repeatable decimal to binary, and this we will be make the small, and we will take it here, and here this is the 4. Already when we convert this one, value is how much coming? 100, and 100 is also same this value 100 and 100, and our answer is how much? We will take this one also, and this is answer is our answer is in the binary means equal with 100, and this is also is 100, and this one is also 100, and you can see this is 0, answer is 0, this is 0, answer is 0, same, and this is 1 also, and this is 1 also, and our answer is 1. So means this is also 4 answer. And for an example, here we change this value. This is for example, I will put the 5 and click enter, and again we will be give the signal at x0, and after you can see answer is now 5. And if you like to be change one more, for an example, if 6 we will be put, sorry, we have to be take it the right, 7 for an example, any value you can type, 7 and 4, answer is how much? 7. Same this one we will be checking the our this one is the 7, first d0 is our 7. So what's the answer in the 7 binary? How much coming? You can see, convert this one, 111. So this 111, this is the 111. So same this one, how much answer coming? You can see this is the answer 7. Same as you can see here the 7 answer is 111. So here is the answer how much coming? 111. So 111 how much binary? You can see the 7. This command basically same like working as a calculator. This is logical gates. Any value which you performs at the d0 and d1, it will be work accordingly this table after answer gives you into the d2. And if you like to create the any OR logic, you can create by personally here in the program x0 for an example, and when you make it here, this is also this is look like OR logic. This you can design the OR logic. You press x0 or x1, after your y0 will be performed. So hope guys you will be understand about this WOR instruction. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.